Hello everyone. RRB technician key answer shift 1 26 December. The atomic number of sulfur is 16 and its atomic mass is 32. In exam they ask what is the atomic mass of the sulfur? The answer is 32.065 U. What is the full form of UNEP? The full form of UNEP is United Nations Environment Program. UNEP का पूरा नाम क्या है? पूरा नाम संयुक्त राष्ट्र पर्यावरण कार्यक्रम है. What charge do electrons have? Electrons have the a negative charge. Negative charge is the correct answer. Electron का आवेश क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रॉन का आवेश नकारात्मक और ऋणात्मक होता है. What is the SI unit of the force? The answer for this question is SI unit of the force is Newton. बल्कि SI इकाई क्या है? न्यूटन है. To which objects the Newton's third law of motion apply? Newton's third law of motion applies to two objects. The correct answer for this question is two objects are interacting. न्यूटन के गति के तीसरे नियम का आवेदन किन वस्तुओं पर होता है? न्यूटन के गति के तीसरे नियम का आवेदन दो वस्तुओं का पर होता है जो आपस से संपर्क कर रही होती है. द करेक्ट आंसर इज दो वस्तु. टू ऑब्जेक्ट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Which is the most polluted city in India in 2023 with an average PM 2.5 concentration of 11.8 micrograms per cubic meter? The answer for this question is Begusarai, located in Bihar. What is the India's rank in the Corruption Perception in Index 2023? The answer for this question is India ranked 93 out of 180 countries in the Corruption Perceptions Index 2023. 2023 के भ्रष्टाचार धारणा सूचांक भारत का की रैंक कितनी है? 93 है. What is the SI unit of the electromotive force? The answer for this question is SI unit of electromotive force is volt. Who were awarded the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in 2023? The answer for this question is Chirag Chandrasekhar Shetty, badminton player, and Ranki Reddy Satvik Sairaj, badminton player. How many electrons are there in one coulomb charge? The answer for this question is 6.25 into 10 to the power of 8 electrons are there in the 1 coulomb of charge. टू 2023 में मेजर ध्यानचंद खेल रत्न पुरस्कार किसे दिया गया है? चिराग चंद्रशेखर शेट्टी और रैंकी रेड्डी सात्विक साईराज को 2023 में मेजर ध्यानचंद खेल रत्न पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया गया है. What type of mixture is a suspension? Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is the correct answer. सस्पेंशन किस प्रकार का मिश्रण है? सस्पेंशन एक विषम मिश्रण है. इट इज ए heterogeneous mixture. At what temperature is gypsum converted into plaster of Paris? Gypsum is converted into plaster of Paris when heated to a temperature of 120 degrees Celsius or 393 Kelvin or 300 degree Fahrenheit. What is the full form of POP? Plaster of Paris. In exam they may ask what is the formula for gypsum? CaSO4 2H2O, calcium sulfate 2H2O. Plaster of Paris formula CaSO4 of H2O. During this process gypsum loses water molecules and is partially dehydrated, forming calcium sulfate hemihydrate, also known as a plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris another name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Which type of energy does a bullet fires from a gun possess due to its motion? The answer for this question is kinetic energy. A bullet fired from a gun possesses a kinetic energy due to its motion. बंदूक की निकली गोली उसकी गति के कारण कौन सी ऊर्जा होती है? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज बंदूक की निकली गोली गतिजत ऊर्जा होती है. प्रोजेक्ट परी पब्लिक आर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. परी का फुल फॉर्म होता है पब्लिक आर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. वाज इनिशिएटेड बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर. इन एग्जाम दे आस्क व्हेन परी वाज इनिशिएटेड. द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज जुलाई 21 to 31, 2024. Stars appear to twinkle because of the effects of the Earth atmosphere on starlight. The correct answer is why stars twinkle. The answer is Earth atmosphere on starlight. Nucleons are made up of what? The answer for this question is nucleons are made up of quarks is the correct answer. Protons made up of two up quarks and one down quark. Neutrons are made up of one up quark and two down quark. Human have one pair of sex organs. The correct answer is human have how many pairs of sex organ chromosomes? The answer for this question is human have one pair of sex chromosomes. Female chromosomes, two X chromosomes, and male, one X and Y chromosomes. India is initiated in hosting which Olympic Games? The answer for this question is 2036 Olympic Games on October 1, 2024. The Indian Olympic Association submitted a letter on the intent of the Indian International Olympic Committee for future host commission. The correct answer for this question is 2036 Olympic is the correct answer. What is the the joule is the international system of units for both work and energy. Both work and energy is the correct answer. Joule is a SI unit for both work and energy. Thank you for watching. These are the key answers for RRB technician December 26 first shift.